Hey Cheryl, I just wanted to catch up with you and just do a quick review of our training matrix. Just a few things that we need to catch up on. Also wanted to get you familiar with what I'm using right now, which is a Zoom interactive app that we can save a lot of time with, and possibly with some of the employees as well, catching up on some of their assessments, which would be fantastic. Maybe we could download this app onto Tania or Greg's laptop, and I can follow up with these guys remotely. Excuse me. I'll just share my screen with you right now, and we'll have a look at the training matrix. Now, as you can see, up the top here, we've got all of the headings, national student number. As you can see, everything highlighted in red right here is what's missing, okay, all the way through. On the right-hand side here, we've got some of the guys that have done their theory assessment but need just a couple of questions clarified on their assessment for me. And some of the other guys that came from NAPA on the first day never actually came back to do their theory or their practical assessment for the lifting and slinging exercise. And as you can see, I haven't marked these guys off as competent as yet. So the remote thing might be a good thing. The other thing I wanted to show you was the unit standard. Now, this is the practical, 17695. Now, right down the bottom at number 5, what we had to do was attach and pull a load. Now, what Greg didn't have on site was a tow rope, a certified tow rope, or any kind of tow rope at all. So we need to follow up and get that done as well. So that's part of what I did. So in terms of invoicing, this is just part and parcel of completing this unit standard. So the hour or so that we're going to or the couple of hours rather that we're going to take up completing this will just be included in the completion of this unit standard. The other thing I wanted to show you was the document here, which is all of the evidence. And if you have a look at Dale's evidence here, you can see that this is the evidence in terms of the theory. We can have another look at who else should I do? Leslie, he's a good one. And I'll just create extra large icons so you can see that. So this is, photograph of the license, the assessment that we've done, and photographs of Les doing his theory assessment, plus a bit of practical inspecting the gear and that sort of stuff. And obviously the practical for the 17695 got a whole lot of video evidence as well. So just to give you an idea of what I'm doing up here. And so if we can just get some clarification on that training matrix, if we can get it updated, that'll be good. And just communicate to Greg that I need to follow up with these guys, and that would be fantastic. But again, just want to repeat, if we can do some of this remotely, that would be fantastic as well. All right, well, that's it. We'll catch up with you soon.